Hey guys, in today's video, you'll learn about how to use motivated lighting to make your lighting design feel more natural and integrated into the scene. So what is motivated lighting? Well, before we get into it, now's a great time to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Motivated lighting is a technique where your lighting choices are inspired or motivated by elements within your scene. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's have a look at an example. In this unlit scene, we have a few elements that we can use to motivate our light positioning. First, we have a large window on the left-hand side of our frame. The light coming through that window is daylight balanced and quite soft. In reality, the light coming through the window is too dark and too side on to be an attractive key on its own. But I can use it to motivate the position of my key light, which I'm going to position near the window, but in a more pleasing spot. Now, once we turn the light on, we have a key light that is much brighter and much more attractive. And it still looks like it's coming from the direction of the window, so it feels natural and integrated. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of fill light just to balance out those shadows. This is the only unmotivated light in this setup. Now onto the next light. In this scene, we have two other elements that we could use to motivate our backlight. First, we have some fairy lights on the left-hand side of Amy. Now these are a really nice background element, so I'm going to incorporate them either way. But personally, I think I prefer to have our backlight on the right-hand side of Amy, so it's on the opposite side of our key light. Instead, I'm going to use this Edison globe that we added into the bookcase on Amy's right-hand side. Now, because we've put it on a dimmer so that we can lower the brightness so it doesn't blow out that background, it's no longer bright enough to throw any actual light onto Amy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a small tungsten LED light, which we're going to boom over the top of the shot so it's in a nice backlight position. This way it looks and feels motivated. It looks like the light is coming from the lamp itself, but it's not. It's coming from our LED. This is the definition of motivated lighting. The exciting thing about this technique is that it is super flexible. Even if you don't have any elements in the background of your shot to motivate your lighting, you can always add or create them. Fairy lights, practical lamps, LED strips, standing lamps, pendant lights, all of these kinds of things are amazing tools to have in your filmmaker toolkit. So you can always use them to break up the background of your shot and motivate the lighting design on your talent. So have fun with your lighting design, experiment, and see what you can come up with. It's often the simple, day-to-day household tools that make the shot the most interesting. So what's your favorite practical light to throw into the background of your shot? Let us know in the comments below. For me, it's Edison globes and pendant lights. For my partner Lauren, she loves to use Himalayan salt lamps. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a video, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content and you got something out of it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.